Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be learning a song, One Name, by the Loveworld singers, and we're going to be doing it in the key of G. Alright, so I want to use this opportunity to thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel. God bless you, keep on sharing it, and let's get into the song. Alright, so One Name has all power, starts on a chord 1. So this is your chord 1. Then it moves to a chord 6. Oh, yeah. So let's maintain this 6. Then it moves to a 5. You can play this or you can play that. Then it moves to a chord 4. So it's like one name has all power, one name with authority, the name of Jesus, the name of Jesus. Right? And then the one I showed you, you can use it, okay? Then it goes like that till the last part. Then the last part, 1, oh Jesus, that's 4. To a chord 5, back to 4, then back to 1. Now for passing chords, you could play a 1, a 7 to a 6. You could play the 6 like this or this. So one name has a power, one name has authority, the name of Jesus, the name of Jesus. You get it? Alright, so I'm going to play the song and then play along. Alright, so these chords should be able to help you. Chord 1, chord 6, or this, then chord 5. Either you play this way or you play the suspension and then a chord 4. Alright, so the other ones that you would see, and then the one they are simple. Alright, so it doesn't change anything, it's just part of the chords that you are playing. Alright. On chord 1. Sorry, let me add some strings to it.
No other name like Jesus.
That's a chord 1.
Every other name. Love you, Jesus.
A chord 6. A chord 5. Then a chord 4. That's chord 1. Chord 6.
The name of Jesus. The name of Jesus.
Chord 4.
In heaven and the earth.
chord 6. Then you move to a chord 5. That's a chord 4. I just played a 6-7-1. Okay, so this is where we do the shift. That's a chord 5. You can do a 4, a 3 rather into a 4, sorry. Okay, so a 1 to a 5. Then you do a 3 into a 4. Alright, so basically that's the whole song, you know, from a 1 to a 6, and then to a 5, back to a 4, then Jesus, oh Jesus. You can do a 3 into a 4, then back to 1. So the chords are revolving around 1, 6, 5, and then 4. You can throw in some passing chords, but for a beginner, this is okay for you. So see you in the next tutorial, and God bless you. Bye bye.